new, then hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a little baking video. It's a different kind of video for me. I've never filmed a video like this, so if it is a bit of a shambles, I do apologise. I did ask on my Instagram what you guys would like to see, and some of you did say baking videos, because I did say, would you like to see some baking videos? So I'm going to be baking some cupcakes today. Now this recipe I got from the lovely Cupcake Gemma. I don't know if you follow her on Instagram, but she has her own shop in London called Crumbs and Doilies, and she does also have a YouTube channel as well. So I will leave that links down below, and obviously the recipe to this cupcake recipe as well. So all you'll need for this recipe is some self-raising flour, some milk, some caster sugar, 2 large eggs, some vanilla bean paste, some bicarbonate of soda, some unsalted butter, obviously your cupcake cases and your cupcake tray, a sieve, and some little measuring spoons or cups or whatever, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to start off with the butter first, and then I'm going to pop the butter in. So you need 125 grams of unsalted butter. Let me just get a knife. Oh, this is not soft at all. Oh yes, that's just enough there. And you want to make sure that your butter is nice and soft as well. So I'm just going to pop that into the mixer. And then we're just going to mix that up and let that mix for about, I'm going to say like a couple of minutes, maybe 2 minutes or something like that. So after you've done the butter, it should look something like that. So it's just nice and fluffy, and it's not as yellow, it's quite white and pale in colour. So I've already weighed out my dry ingredients. So in here I've got 125 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of self-raising flour, and a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. So I've already got that measured out in there already. So I'm just going to pop that in to the mixture, along with my 2 eggs. I'm going to pop those in as well. And you want to pop in, what was it, 1.5 teaspoons of milk. I don't actually have a teaspoon on my thing, so I'm just going to use a teaspoon. Got some milk in here, 1.5 teaspoons. And then you want to put in a quarter of vanilla paste, if I can get it open. Harrison was meant to do this with me. I said to him, do you want to help mommy do a baking video? And he said yeah, and he sat all ready to do it, and then decided he didn't want to. So he might help me later with the decorating, but yeah. So this is the best stuff ever, this vanilla bean paste. So now I'm going to mix that up for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then while I'm doing that I'm going to put my cupcake cases, and then we're going to pop them in the oven ready to bake, and I can't wait, I'm starving. So once it's done, it should look like this. Just really nice thick consistency. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put them into the cupcake cases, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven for 22 minutes to bake until they're nice golden and brown. So I'm just going to put them in the cases. I'm going to make sure they're nice and even. I don't even look at me talking like I've got my own baking show and know what I'm even going on about. I don't. So you're probably thinking there's not enough left in there for the last cupcake. I don't think there's 2 on there, but there is. I always get my spatula and I scrape every little bit. I'm just going to get my spoon. Look at that. See, there's so much batter left. The perfect amount. So I'm going to pop these now in the oven for 22 minutes on 170 degrees. They've been preheating for a while now. So I'm just going to pop those in the oven until they're nice and golden and brown. So they're now in the oven for 22 minutes. So once they're done, I'm going to come back and then we will do the buttercream icing. Now Harrison has come to join us for the next part because he wanted to help Mummy, didn't you? We're going to do the icing now. Yeah? So do you know what we need? So we need butter. Mummy's put the butter in there. So you need 200 grams of unsalted butter. We're going to mix that up. Do you want to turn it on for Mummy? Oh.
Okay.
Okay, should we put this on? Right. We're going to mix our butter. Oh, good boy. Put those there. We're going to make sure that it's nice and fluffy, ready for our icing sugar, yeah? Let's turn it on. Okay, so that's done. So our cakes are done and this is what they look like. They're looking really, really nice, aren't they? And you're helping me now. Yes, so we need 450 grams of icing sugar. So let's put those there. We're going to put 450 grams in here.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to help Mummy tip. Right. We've got to be gentle. Go. Oh, this could get messy. Icing sugar's very messy. We need 450 grams. Oh my goodness me. It says 450 grams of sifted icing sugar, but what I find is I always end up making too much, so I feel like this should be enough. I've got 130, it should be fine. So let's put this and let's do it then. So we'll put a little bit at a time in, because otherwise it's going to go everywhere, isn't it? So, oh, alright. Just put a little bit in there.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. And then you're going to help Mummy do that. So should we shake it?
Okay. Shake it.
Shake it in. Look. Oh, look, you're making snow. Look. Where's the my spatula?
Did
Did you just lick that? Ew. Tastes yucky. No.
It's so tasty.
Is it so tasty? It's not just yet. Let's mix that so it doesn't go all over the place. Right, should we mix this bit up?
Okay.
I'll tell you what we'll do so it doesn't go all over the place. Looking yummy now.
No.
Put a bit more.
Got cakes.
Do you like cakes? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, mine. My dad. Oh my god, mine. Oh my god. It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Wow, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Snowing.
I'm gonna put it in. Right, now let's add some more. We'll just add the rest now. Hey look, more snow.
Wow, more snow.
Right, that's the last of it. Just give that a shake.
Okay.
Look at the mess. Right, now let's put this back under there and we're going to mix this bit. Good boy. Right, so it's looking nice, isn't it? Look at that. So what we're going to do now is we need to put some milk in. We need to put 2 tablespoons of milk in and some vanilla extract. So you're going to help Mummy do the milk. Let's give it a mix first. Let's get all the bits around the side. Does it look nice? You're going to put that on our cupcakes?
Mix it.
You want to mix it? Yeah then, you do. Wow. Whoa, look at that.
Look at that.
So should we put the milk in now? Right. You hold. So we need 2 of these. So 2 tablespoons of milk. Do you help Mummy put it in, or I've just spilt it?
Okay.
And one, and then two, another one.
Okay. One.
Another one.
Wow.
Put it in quick before you spill it out. Tip. Yay, good boy. Right, now we need some of this stuff.
Okay.
Yum, yum. A quarter, no, a half. Oh, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we put that in there. Yummy, yummy. Oh, thank you, darling. All done. Should we mix it together now? Yeah? Let's put it back under the machine and mix it all together. Ready? Ready to mix it?
Okay, this.
Show everybody what it looks like.
Now we're going.
No, we don't need no more milk. You can't make it too strong now. Silly Billy. Right.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that, Harrison, look.
Mmm.
Yummy, yum. Perfect buttercream, that, isn't it?
Mmm. Me.
You eat it.
So tasty. They come in the pizza. I like milk.
You like milk too? Oh, you're a good boy, you. Right. Done now? Think it's done? I'm going to scoop this inside here, look.
No.
No, we don't need no more milk. You're going to make it all sweet. Oh my goodness me.
Mm.
Right, pass us that spoon. Right. Is that yummy? You just eating the milk, okay. Look, ready to pipe it out? Are we ready, guys? You ready? You wanna watch Mummy do it?
Ready.
Should we just do big swirls? So, we start from the end, make our way in.
Ooh.
Whoa, and then end. That look pretty?
Rinse.
Shoop. Oh, that was a bit shoddy.
Wow.
There we go.
There is cup of tea.
There's a cup of tea. Did you say cup of tea? You're funny, you.
Oh.
Whoa. What we're going to do, and Mummy's going to put the sprinkles in there. Yeah. And then, and you watch what Mummy does. So we get some. And we sprinkle like this. Yeah, you do it.
Okay.
You do it on that one then. Oh, wow. Is it stuck on your fingers now? Go. And then just sprinkle.
And then
Go on then, you do.
okay.
Lovely, darling.
Ew.
Do you want one? Do you want to eat it? Should we show them? Should we do a taste test? Okay. You want to test it? We're going to do a taste test. Harrison going to tell Mummy if they're nice or not. Yeah? Have a bite. Big bite. Is it nice? Have a big bite. Have a big bite of the cake. Chop, chop. Are they nice? Mmm. So we've come to the end of the video. These are our cakes that we made. Harrison enjoyed decorating them, didn't you? And well, I think he's enjoying eating them more. So yeah, that's a simple, easy cupcake recipe, honestly. It's so easy to do, and even the icing comes out like perfect. Sometimes I find that when I've made cupcakes before, I've even made the icing too like runny and it's just not, you know, it's just completely a shambles, but I feel like I did really well there. So I'll pop the recipe and everything down in the description box down below, and the links to her channel, so you can go and check those out if you want to bake them yourself. But I'm pretty impressed with my cupcakes. What do you guys reckon? Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? Did Harrison do a good job? Was he a good helper? Were you a good helper? Did you like
cupcakes? No.
Oh, look, tell everyone there. Say, look at my cupcakes. Oh, nice. Showing them your cake. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Should we make another baking video, do you think? Should we ask everyone? Maybe we should ask people in the comments down below what we should bake next, and then we can bake them, yeah? Should we do that? Yeah, leave a comment down below what you think we should make next. I'm thinking brownies. What about chocolate brownies? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Say bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye. Good boy.